Today on How to Thrifty, I'm going to use the Silicone Instant Pot Steamer Basket to show you how to steam some vegetables. So I'm going to be steaming this broccoli and these carrots here, and I just wanted to show you it's real easy. You can use any vegetables, they work the same. You're going to need a colander, or in my case I'm going to use this Instant Pot, actually Instant Pot brand silicone colander or steamer basket. So you're just going to go ahead and throw some vegetables in there. In this case we're throwing in the broccoli. And just going to rinse these off. The great thing is they rinse, they strain, they do it all, and you just go ahead and transfer it over into the Instant Pot bowl. Now I found this, you can find this on Amazon. I actually bought it at Sam's Club, but you can find it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for where you can buy it. But you go ahead and put it in the Instant Pot bowl. Then you go ahead and add some carrots or whatever vegetables you want, just like that. And then after we do that, I'm going to go ahead and pour in some water. And I'm just going to put one kid-sized cup, about two kid-sized cups. And I'll just show you here as I lift up the basket a little bit. You can see just a little bit of water. It doesn't need a lot because it's only going to steam for a couple of minutes. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and snap the handles together there just like that. It's really nice, makes it convenient, for easy to kind of move it around. And it kind of keeps the vegetables in place as it's steaming there and it heats up. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on here and make sure to twist it all the way. And as we look back here, we want to make sure it's not unventing but sealing. And then, just going to look at the front of the Instant Pot. I think most Instant Pots have this button. I'm not sure if they all do, but I'm going to push the steam button, and I've used this a lot. It's going to be on high pressure, normal, and essentially set it for 7 minutes. Now, it's actually been done. It's on low heat for 7 minutes here now, as the magic of editing shows. And I'm going to take the Instant Pot spoon and lift it up, because the silicone with the water in it is pretty hot. And you're going to go ahead and just lift it out, and it just drips all the water at the bottom. And now your vegetables are ready to go. It's really easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really cool device. If you have an Instant Pot, I highly recommend it. The Instant Pot Silicone Steaming Basket really makes it quick and easy to steam your vegetables. I highly recommend this product. Again, if you're looking for one, link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching How to Thrifty.